tayo nagkakilala. Ito naman, chika. Happy birthday to you. For memory.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
After her 3-hour class, she spent the day with her best friend since grade 7, Aliyah, at the shore.
Paano tayo nagkakilala?
They vlogged for Aliyah's channel. You can watch the video by clicking the top right corner of your screen.
Burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene. And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low.
It was a peaceful Saturday afternoon, and Ceya didn't expect anything to happen until her best friend since senior high suddenly arrived at her home.
Tao po.
Silent movies to waken her
Knock, knock.
I think I'll head on down to Reno and try my hand at real estate.
Kasama ko si ate. Ang bilyonary. Ang anak ko Henry, si kasama. Wala tayong pera. Kita mo sa oh, wala si Robert. Wala si Robert. Ay, pwede sa YouTube mo. Robert! Bakit wala pang upload pala? Memories namin. Ito naman, chika.
They decided to bond and catch up at the beach, sharing stories and gossip. It had been 9 months since they last saw each other. Ceya was so happy to reunite with Sandy, and she hopes their trio will soon be complete with the other member, Robert.
So long silent movies and all the talking in between. You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it. Moved to the city, over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors, I can't see anything. I'll be your coffee, I'll be your poster child. Walking like Jesus, when all the stores are closed, you think of drowning out in your parents' pool. The water's freezing, it was September. I think I know you. I was here before the start of the storm. It's all around you now, you're coming back. Now you're coming back.
At home, after reuniting with Sandy, she began opening the present Sandy gave her.
Hi there, besties. What's up? So, welcome back to my vlog, to my channel. Super busy ko the last few months. Hindi ko natanda kung kailan ako huling nag-video and nag-vlog na nagsasalita ako. Kasi puro ako ganun lang. But anyway, so today is April 19. It's Saturday and it's magnanay na. Magnanay na, time check. And kakauwi ko lang. Shout out kay Ate Sandy. Sinurprise niya ako kanina. Sasend ko na lang. Ilalagay ko dito yung video. Kung paano na ako sinurprise kanina. As in, caught me off guard. Kasi talagang, hindi ko na-expect na mangyayari talaga na pupunta siya today. Sabi ko nga kasi Sabado, kaso nga lang, hindi ko talaga ina-expect na tutuloy siya. So, ayun. So, thank you sa pizza ate. You know that I love really pizza. And then dito sa gift, this one. And i-unbox natin to. Kaya ako nag-video. And then, this. Ang cute. May labubo. Keychain. Lalagay ko to sa wallet ko. Wait. May wallet. Ang cute. Actually, naghahanap lang ako ng keychain. Kagabi, bago ko matulog. So yeah, perfect na perfect to. So, naghahanap ako ng keychain. Tada! So cute. I love it. Super love it. Look at that. Okay. And she also got me this. So pretty. Twinning daw kami nito. Twinning kami. Hair clip. Actually, ito gagamitin ko to. Kasi kailangan ko talaga din ito. Kasi yung ganito ko, madami naman. Kaso nga lang, I need a new one though. So, yan. So pretty. Oh, look at this. So cute. Anyway, let's open this one. Actually, madami na ding changes sa room ko, as you can see. And this one, gagawin pa siyang unan. So, hindi pa to tapos. Ito, changes yan sa room ko. But anyways, let's open this one. Wait. Bye. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ina-expect ko damit. Oh my God, ate. Ay, gagamitin ko to bukas. Pag nagpunta ako sa inyo, gagamitin ko to. Oh my God. Gagamitin ko to bukas. Talagang Ay, oh my God. Gagamitin ko to bukas. Naghahanap talaga ako ng alternate na bag dun sa color blue na binigay nung pinsan ko. And oh my God, she got me this. And then, super ano pa ng strap niya. I like this kind of strap na manipis lang and then very lightweight. Ganda. Look. So pretty. Oh, thank you. Nagkakwento siya kanina about this, dun sa gift na to. Sabi niya, kanina lang din daw niya to binili. So, hindi ko ina-expect. Ang ina-expect ko kanina, yung nasa utak ko, damit siya. And look. Shala bells. Cute. Kinikilig ako. Cute. Decorate this one, this bag with this. Iba na yung kami ko naipit. Ang cute! And also this one. This keychain. Super love this. Ang ganda pa ng kulay. Actually, sa mga bag na meron ako, wala pa akong kulay na ganito. Hindi ko alam kung gray ba to. Gray ba to? Hindi ko alam. Oh my God! Thank you, ate! Thank you so much! Yan. Thank you. Cute. Hindi ko na-expect na bag. Kasi ang alam ko talaga damit siya. So,
I should have told you now more than ever.
The next day, on a lovely Sunday afternoon, she went to Sandy's place to celebrate the fiesta. And they had a video call with Robert. It was an early Thursday morning, gym class day for Ceya. She was excited because going to the gym had always been her dream. But this happens. Give her a break, it was her first time. Despite of that now, she's finally there with her girlies. After their gym session, they decided to visit Tal Church. They always go there to pray their hearts out. After praying, they returned to school because they still had one more class to attend. As part of their requirement for National Training Service Programme 2, they conducted a meaningful outreach project titled Customs Administration, a supportive engagement for the aged, ceya here, at Sagip Buhay Tahanan Foundation Inc. in Bawang, Batangas.
Hello!
It was Lola Celia's birthday. She was excited to visit her again and give her a small gift.
Guys, papunta kami sa Sagip Bahay Foundation, Tahanan Foundation. Bibisitahin namin si Lola. Last week ba ngayon? Hindi ako makapag-vlog doon, nakikiya pa ako. Kaya nakita yung sumuli po sa dyan. Yung last week. Last week lang ba yun?
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay.
It's coming through you,
Baka init, naglakad kami.
when you spoke to me.
Dito na kami.
She had grown close to Lola Celia, who reminded her of her late grandmother.
Swamp picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the don't see.
It had always been her childhood dream to own a facility like this, a home open to all elderly people. And now she was experiencing it through their project.
Would you stay?
What began as a school requirement became a heartwarming and unforgettable experience. And the highlight? Living a piece of her childhood dream, bringing joy to the elderly, just like she once told her inay.
I know that I'm no different.
Going
In
home.
my home, I'll be happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Hi there, besties. What's up? So it's June 3 today. Yan. It's June 3 today, and tomorrow I will be participating at our school's event, the Fun Run. It will be held on San Nicolas. But anyways, I'll be packing my things, come pack with me. And so this is the bag that I will be using, this Caterpillar bag. I was supposed to use this bag, but then I found out that this strap is, as you can see, it can't hold any heavy items. So I'm worried that if I bring this bag with me, it might broke on the middle of my run, so we don't want that. Anyways, I have no information about the kilometers of each run that we will be running or how far we will be running. Anyways, let's pack. So I'll be using this one. It is a two-way bag, so I'll use this as a backpack, which ipapakita ko bukas kung makakapag-vlog ako. So, the fun run starts at 5:30, starts ng Zumba, and then we must be there by 4 a.m. Let's pack my bag. So, I will be bringing with me is my phone. Of course, number one is my phone, and then my wallet, and then this rosary bag. I always bring a rosary with me. This one has two rosary. The show you. But it is locked kasi. I locked this one so that yung laman sa loob is hindi malalaglag out of this bag. So I'll be putting it in the big compartment. Actually, I put it in down here so that I won't lose this rosary. Actually, it's my Lola and Papa's rosary. Then, I'll also be bringing with me my lipstick for retouch. I don't do retouch on school. It's just this. This one is enough for me, and my perfume. It's enough for me. Anyways, let's put this one in the bag. Putting it in the large compartment, and also this one, the Vaseline, and the perfume. And then my headphones and hair. As for this, the front compartment, I will be putting this mirror. Actually, it's a blush. You've seen this in my first college diary video, I think, so that I can check if my face is alright. The reason why I am bringing these small things is because so that it can fit in a bag and it is lightweight. So let's put it in. And the next thing is my comb. This one is so useful, especially if you are a small bag girly. This one is so usable, and it does its purpose to brush your hair. And then cutter. You can never forget about the cutter. Why? It is for self-defense. I am not sure if I will be vlogging the run, but we'll see. I can already imagine myself suffering from running. This is not my first time to run, guys. Actually, it's my second time to run. The first time I participate in this kind of fun run was back in senior high. I was in grade 12. It was also a school requirement. We are required to join the fun run. So, I'm done packing my bag. And the next thing that I'll do is to eat and get some rest after eating. Because it's already 3:55 p.m. and I have to sleep. I have to wake up at 12 a.m. and get ready and be there in San Nicolas by 4 or 3:30. 3:30 or 4 a.m. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
She was excited to run today, but even more excited for the memories they were about to unlock. The past month for Ceya was fun, emotional and tiring, but every moment was meaningful. She felt lucky to experience it all and grateful for the memories she'll always treasure. Looking back, she realized she truly lived in each moment, laughing, loving and appreciating life.
Naghihirap muna bago makakain. Dalanan niya. Makauwi lang. Ganda na itsura. For memory. For memory.
Sometimes you just have to pause, breathe and take in what life gives you today. Be kind, be grateful and spread love, because that's what this world truly needs. That's it for today's vlog. See you on her next one. Subscribe.